Hello everyone, this is how it looks like before I custom paint my motorcycle. It has a lot of dents both sides, like major dents that some people say it's beyond saving. But this time I'm going to make it as my project. It has dents also on the back fender, front fender, and especially a major dent here on both sides of the tank. So I start removing the front fender. I will also remove the bolt of the chair. Today we're going to paint the front fender, the tank, and the back fender. So after removing this one, unlock the bolt at the back of this back chair, and remove also the nut for this one. Right. Ready. So I'm just gonna have to remove this one and remove the tank using the slots here. Remove also the speedometer. And we're gonna start repainting all this stuff that we'll need to use to airbrush. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm draining now the gasoline into the tank. I will also remove the back fender and I remove already the tank here. So it's almost ready for painting. Alright guys, so I'm done taping all the spaces that we don't need to airbrush, and I left the pattern there. We are going to airbrush today with realistic flame. So all the black part will be painted with realistic flame that has bluish white color up to yellow and going up to orange candy. So the black part will be painted with realistic flame. Once I remove the tape, that will reveal the beautiful pattern of flame, hot rod flame with realistic flames inside of it. Wow, I'm so excited to do this. Look at that. So I'm going to start airbrushing the black portion of our pattern. Alright, I'm so excited. Guys, so moment of truth, I'm going to remove the tapes here of our project. So I painted in my airbrush realistic flame with hot rod flame pattern. So as you can see, I'm done removing the tapes of the side cover of the battery, side cover of the fuse, and the frame. I'm going to remove the covers and tapes of our two fenders and our tank. Let's do it. so satisfying. So guys, so I just finished painting and repairing all the dents here of the motorcycle. So I painted it with Hotrod flame and realistic flame inside it with an airbrush and top coated it with gold pearl. Okay, so let's try it. Started with 800. First I'm going to wet sand it with 1000 grit. Let's do it. Shows out here, water with soap. And wet sand it with 1000. Okay, so I'm polishing now using 2000 grit sandpaper, and this will be my last sandpaper that I'm going to polish our top coat. And after this one, I'm going to polish this one with a polish. Alright guys, so I'm done polishing it in 2000 grit, so that is the last sandpaper that I used. I'm going to polish this one tomorrow with the polishing compound. Okay, so I'm going to polish now the fenders with the polishing compound. And alright, excited. Alright, as you can see, it starts to shine now. I'm just going to polish everything here, the fenders and the battery covers. And I'm going to apply the turtle wax. Okay guys, so I'm done polishing it with my polishing compound. I'm going to apply now this turtle wax, this hard shell finish, and apply it. Right guys, so I'm done with the polishing and applying turtle wax on our project. So I put turtle wax on the fenders, the battery cover, and the tank. As you can see, the result is phenomenal. Look at that color. From bluish white to yellow to orange candy, and the tip of your hot rod flame is blue. I also polished the chrome part of our engine and the exhaust pipes. As you can see, if the light touches our top coat, it changes color from black to pearl gold. Look at that color. Alright guys, so I'm done with all the polishing and buffing of the fenders and tank and the battery cover. So I'm going to test drive our motorcycle now. Let's go!
Just